Ein guten Evening, guten Abend, herzlich willkommen. I had a blast yesterday with the live stream. Didn't expect so many people to be watching it, but it was fun. Enjoyed it. So I'll probably continue doing it on the Sunday evening from now on. 19.30 GMT plus 2. If the lockdown is lifted and I'm moving towards my regular home, I'll probably switch days, as Sunday is usually football day. But we have seen some interesting movements, and we are going to discuss that in this video. As we've seen that the price reached one of our levels we wanted to see, as discussed in the live stream. We had two levels to be watching, which one is 57 to 58.5 and 52.5 to 54. As we've seen, we've had a downwards move during the weekend, which made a gap. That's why I had the previous chart, which shows that there is a gap. Usually these type of gaps get closed quite fast, especially if they occur over the weekend. We also see that there's one at 82291, there's one at 11.6, there's one at 10k also, I believe, and there's one at 3.5k. So what we see is that we bounce from this support area here and make a jump upwards towards 6.6, but the crucial level is this whole 6.6 level. Given that we have been doing a distribution area, period here above 6.6 and rejected below, the 6.9 level, I assume we are going to make a bearish retest here, which usually leads to further downwards momentum. So this bounce up doesn't show much volume. It shows that there is some sort of demand, but it's whole range bound, given that the support is 5.8 and the resistance is 7.66. It's just range bound movements, and it's just a bounce to fill the CME gap, which usually occurs with a scam wick. We don't even have to get there on the spot exchange or Binance, but it's just not special at the moment. I mean, if we lose 5.8, we go probably 5.2 and just have a domino ball down. If we break 6.6 and flip the area, that's a bullish thing, and then I'd be expecting to see further continuation towards 7.3, 7.6. If you saw my Cointelegraph article, you've seen that I've been discussing it as well. Let's see if we can get it up. Yes. Bitcoin price pumps, also probably due to the equity markets, which are range bound as well. As you can see over here, support was hit, bounced up, and now it's facing resistance, which is similar to the CME gap. Remains bearish until 6.9 breaks, which is my view for the past 1.5 weeks already. I've seen people still flipping bias, but if we break 6.9, then this whole bottom structure is a V-shaped bottom, which looks to be that if we flip 6.9, then I'll be looking towards 8k and maybe higher. The total market cap also shows a critical level. We see in 2018 that we held this level for support, rejected during the beginning of 2019, flipped it afterwards, and now just slam dunked below it. If we can't crack the level here, I assume we're going to test the 105 billion level for support and start an accumulation, which we have been discussing in the live stream yesterday. So what we have here is a bullish scenario through which I want to see 6k become support. After this article, we already tested the level here. We already rejected a bit there, but if we flip the 6k level for support and then move back to 6.9, flip 6.6 for support back again, this whole drop is also a fake out, and then I'm assuming we're going to see a further move towards 7.9. It's not much in between. 7.9 is my whole next level after 6.9. So I'll be looking at 6.9 retest long levels then. However, the bearish one is that there's literally no volume in the bounce up. Rejection in this area, which also means that we're going to close the CME gap, after which we make a lower high again, and then just continue to fall further down. The first period of sideways movements could take some time, knowing that the equity markets, I will check them, are also pretty range bound and not moving that much right now. It's general. If there's such a volatile move down and a volatile move up, it's just gonna be sideways or range bound for a while, for a few days at least. I'm still expecting us to retest the 18k points on the Dow Jones, especially given that the coronavirus is not slowing down at all. 9k new cases on the States today, I see. And it's only morning there right now. So I assume we are going to see further retests on the low levels, and just assuming that we're going to see a CME gap close. So for now I'll still be searching for shorts in the areas here. Already filled a bit. I'm just scaling in, scaling out. Already had some shorts, and these are for my add-on levels. Missed the long entry, unfortunately. Well, that's fine. Partially lost partially closed my short already. So the areas that I'm watching for the shorts, what I discussed here, is that if we reject the 6.5 to 6.6 area, I'm assuming we're going to see further downwards movements, and then we get back towards the examples that we have been using previously. As you can see here, also bullish divergence indicating some downwards reversals, after which the first level became support, which is in this case 8.1, bounce up, and then just a bouncing ball down. It's a usual case. Over here it's a little different, but you can see that it also bounces back up after support, and then it's already another bouncing ball south. And that's still the plan that I'm assuming to see here on Bitcoin as well. Just a bouncing ball downwards, expecting us to hit 4k somewhere in April, unless we crack 6.9. So that's my view on Bitcoin at the moment. Every altcoin is basically the same. Ether is also facing a resistance here. If we crack 135, 135, 136 to 139, I'm assuming we're going to push further towards 159. If I see the weekly, I'll not be that bullish on Ether at this point. I mean, it does enough. Huge drop down, small bounce upwards, normally leading towards continuation down until there's a clear support. We have been discussing all these coins yesterday, so if you missed them, just feel free to check it out there. Link is also in between levels, holding the daily level at $2 right now, but I'll be probably searching for longs. Still here, still waiting. It's all not providing many opportunities at the moment. The market is just indecisive and range bound, and that's all typically a period for me to just relax and wait it out until there's a clear direction on the market. So I'll just keep it short today. Pretty clear. I'll be back tomorrow, and if there's enough movements, I'll add a live stream on Wednesday night. If not, it's gonna be Sunday. Thanks for watching again, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.